izule obvious nami usuqhaqela Movies yayona umbrella i-podcast enothando labantu thanda nokwazi ngohambo labantu hamba ngefaith futhi ayihambi ngesite kodwa mekumnyama iyayifaka nelight.
Another week, another exciting episode of the Creatives Unplugged podcast. Niyazi ke mase sifikile sihleli nama creatives kwayithina sama creatives and niyazi ukuthi angihambi ngedwa Achild Africa.
What's up everybody? Kamalamo Achild Africa intombazane yasesinqawini silana on the Creatives Unplugged podcast.
Achild asivele siqale nje ngomoya omnandi because unyaka wonke silibele sibonwa ama creatives sisupport ama creatives and kunabantu esibabonayo abenza big moves out there. So sithe nje si movie sathi si Creative Unplugged sathi si team asibe ne shout out shout out kubantu abenza kahle abama creatives sibabonge sibancome sithi nje sinithulela isiqoqo. So ngeke ngayicabanga ke eya this week ukuthi asithi ke shout out to Umlazi Film International bathi Umlazi International Film. They've been doing an amazing job baqale ukusebenza recently. Kodwa manje sebeshaya ama festival ngibonile festival ade benza ka Max kukhona ama celebrity actayo there was nice red carpets laphayana kunama host akade ehlaba umxhwele no music holic lapha be performer be on the lineup. There was films that were screened on the day. You know, they've been doing more amazing stuff. Ukubona into mayiqala and then manje isilapha beleyazi so sithi siyanibona bafethu kuhle enikwenzayo for ilokishi lethu nasisinqanqaweni ke ngiye ngizokuthiwa ziyabuya kodwa njengamanje zibuya emlazi emzilayo
futhi asiphiki bese asiphiki amakasi vele ziyabuya yonke indawo but nami content engiyibonile lapha emlazi active, very active community when it comes to the media space because I had the pleasure of being invited to MUT Radio angazi ngiyibona ngehleleke kanje. They have a tripod there recording ilokunjana Irma Reels. They have an active collection of students on the ground doing it. I'm a visuals also there's a photographer, there's a producer, there's shout out guys. Mangosuthu. So well done to
Umlazi. Shout out to Mangosuthu. Shout out to Umlazi International Film Festival. Asipaphi Hlombe kokugcina. We're showing love, we're showing support as the Creatives Unplugged team. But today I can't wait to introduce our guest.
Okay, would you like to introduce the guest for us?
Okay, so today we have the singer, we have the writer, the one and only person maskula lapha bebanqobi sibabuka Andile Mbili. Welcome. Welcome, my brother.
Thank you so much, guys, for having me. It really is a pleasure and an honor to be here at namhlanje. Good platform in Kulganga, South Africa, and yet to be big, like abroad internationally. So far, guys.
Receive.
Ngathi uyabona ama numbers ukuthi labantu bayasebenza.
I know, night. Abukubusuku ayikimini.
Hey, mfethu, njengoba kade sisasho mfethu sibonga abantu abenza kahle sithi nje shout out kubantu abenza kahle. Ngifuna sithathe lithuba njengoba nawe usungenile ukuthi nomunye omcabangayo ocabanga ukuthi wenza kahle uye lapha ku subscribe uthi nje subscribe masuya lapha ku comment ku YouTube comment ngegama lomuntu ombonayo ukuthi wenza umehluko kwi community, wenza umehluko kwi industry, wenza umehluko empilweni zabanye abantu. So asithathe lesikhathi ke Mr Andile Mbili mfethu ushele nje ukuthi ubhizi ngani. Ubhizi ngani kwenzakalani?
A great one. Andile currently is busy with house music.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, yona into engibhizi ngayo. Obviously with abanqobi as well.
Yes.
We are also running around the gigs here and there.
Yeah.
But nje into ekuyona ebaleke kakhulu ukuthi one is doing music, is ventured into a new genre, which is house music. Nice. So yona into engibhizi ngayo kulezi insuku. And I'm trying my best ukuthi ngenze show ukuthi I put it out there and abantu bayireceive ngendlela efanelekile.
Fanele ukuthi bayireceive kakhulu ngoba ngibonile nalaphayana kuthiwa ngiyangena la isitolo kudlala ingoma yakho Beliti iyafly kune information esitholayo ngala kuma social media
no thank you so much
uba ungena esitolo kanti kudlala ingoma yakho uzoyithengela impahla
nami
umsebenzi mkhulu kangakanani
umsebenzi uyakhula
and uyasendelwa so ngena esitolo la kudlala ingoma yakho that's big bro
yeah it is absolutely and nami ngibe surprised afuna uqamba manga because one has been pushing you know when upusha umsebenzi usuke kahle uthwani uphose ubhoke yabo so usuke unga expectile okuningi you know when you see ilonto njani reception kubantu and ubona ne respond ukuthi engazi uthi iyakhula almost every day now uba overwhelmed by indaba enjalo ukuthi I'm doing something and I should continue ngingayiki
that's nice so maybe in short mhlawumbe noma ngendlela onganaba ngayo ukuthi who is Andile Mbili mhlawumbe ungasithatha nje usibeke ukuthi uAndile Mbili ubani osukaphi nje background yakhe
I'm not good at describing myself but then I'll try well Andile is born and bred eNanda
okay
but ke isikhathi esiningi ukhulele eChesterfield wafunda khona and then ngithe mangabe sengiventure ka music and then I was inspired by music of Banqobi introduced by my sister Uthulile Mbili she was also a singer in fact she's still a singer and she's the one who introduced me to Abanqobi and then ngaqona naBanqobi I think it was year 2000 if not I'm not mistaken but it was around there ngajoina Abanqobi and then ngena kanjalo ku music industry you know because ngaleso sikhathi they were not that popular ngibajoin and then I think my contribution ibe nayo role edlalile ukuthenini babe well recognized and well established la emhlabeni wase South Africa and even abroad so yeah I think that's my upbringing ngasho kanjalo okuningi kizoxoxa ngendlela ngoba ngiyabona isikhathi sinaso
ubusu use high school
yes ibengisa high school ngiqala Abanqobi yes bengisa high school because ngiyakhumbula ukuthi ngangifeyila kakhulu ngenxa yabo
awu ma mfethu phela nifike nizosijabulisa lapha ezolibanzi nathi sisafuna ngoba Abanqobi befika njalo
and lokufika njalo kusho ukuthi siyalova esikoleni
ngilova nileza si discuss even kukhona uMalusi Mbokazi sisho ukuthi Jenny it's been so amazing with coming to different high schools because whatever kwakwenzeka siyazi ukuthi Abanqobi bayeza bazosinika leyo motivation ealcappella with everything and then manje abaningi seninama-solo
leyo platform leyo bayivula kakhulu abafowethu siyakwazi ukuthi senze ezinye izinto eceleni zakhona ka music lokho futhi nje ngibashayela izandla kakhulu ukuthi basinikeze ithuba because kwamanye ama organizations they don't give you that platform ukuthi ukwazi ukuze express and expand in your own territory
mhlawumbe child ungakangeni ngifuna ukuthatha le thuba ngithi what was your favorite track back then kuBanqobi ongazwisa nje ihook yayo uthi nje le ngoma yithi mayisidlala abantu bayithande kubona Abanqobi ngoba ngiyakhumbula zaziningo I'm gonna take all my troubles away
ngeke sayicula ke
I'm gonna usiphe ngempela ipi favorite yakho
nje music is my favorite so I don't have a specific song kahle ngikuthanda wonke music but then again since you've mentioned this song ngizoshaya yona ngithi I'm gonna take all my troubles away I'm gonna join the Christian joy in some of these days oh my life is Jesus oh yes in some of these days ooh I'm gonna take all my troubles away I'm gonna join the Christian joy in some of these days oh my love is Jesus oh yes in some of these days oh some of these days oh wow
oh that's nice bro
angikula lo masakhuluma wena fusekalala ngiyabona ngayizwa ukuthi
I take
oh ma yena
Sombe enye album ongaskip Isikipha le album classics.
Yes,
So
yes.
empilweni yakho ya-contribute kangakanani that relationship and working with the group abanqobi when you were growing up?
It contributed a lot. Angifuni uqamba amanga because at that time umuntu i-background yakhe iyayithanda ukuba like ingabi right. So even ngisho indlela yokukhula nokukhuliseka yayingekho enough and for umfana omncane okhulayo emhlabeni nje yabo. So abanqobi they gave me that fatherhood nontonjana feeling. Abanqobi they gave me that brotherhood feeling. So I didn't feel ukuthi ubaba ukhona but akekho. I didn't feel ukuthi umama akekho emhlabeni. I didn't feel ukuthi ugogo like ngaleso sikhathi ngisanda ngena kubanqobi kwasikhashana nje iminyaka no2 wadlula ugogo emhlabeni. So abanqobi they became a home for me. So I gained a lot of brothers there, I gained a lot of father figures there. So ngingasho ngithi it was an honor and a privilege ukuthi ngaleso sikhathi ngithola ichance ukuthi ngime stage nabantu aba brilliant kangaka, abantu aba creator I sense of legendary. So nje I'm grateful nakubona. I think namhlanje it's a chance for me to tell them ukuthi guys you played a tremendous role in shaping and grooming uAndile lo engiyena namhlanje.
Yeah. No, I hope they are listening. I hope they are watching this. If not, kuyofuneka ifike because manje amazwi enjabule lawa akwazi ukubonisa ukuthi ijourney yakhe ibe yinhle ngendlela eyisimanga.
Absolutely.
So umusic ebeniwenza abantu abaningi basowuthokozela even namanje. Ngiyakhumbula ukuthi khona lezinto enizenzayo. You guys are still together.
Yeah, definitely we're still together.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, but ekokuqala ngaphuma ngishaya isolo. Abaningi bazokhumbula ukuthi there's a solo album that I recorded ngayi-release isihloko sayo sesithi uyanaka uJesu. I worked with Uthina Zungu lapho. I worked with a lot of artists, but then specifically for that album I worked with Uthina Zungu from the first track to the last. Yeah, so and then kuhamba isikhathi and then kwacaca ukuthi abafethu they are in need ukuthi angibuye, you know, and then they spoke to me and then ngisazwana and then I said no, why not, because at the end of the day if kune imbalance ngala, because akukho mnandi ukuthi ushiye endaweni kade vibrant ikade active and then uma usuphumile mase kube ngazi ukuthi ukuphuma kwakho okwenza ukuthi kube khona ukutenga. No, so I thought of that and then I said no, you know what, let me also sacrifice myself and my career at that time, so my solo career and go back to abafethu because that's my foundation. So and see what can we do to revitalize this project abanqobi. So then I went back. Then till today ngisana, but I think ngawubala 10 years ngabuyela till today ngisanabo, but I'm still also doing my own music eceleni and they've given me that opportunity to no mfethu we're going to support you even if you're still with us here, but then if you're doing your own thing as well, we're going to support you ukuthi uqhubeke uye phambili.
Okay, wow, that's amazing. Ushuthi balekile vele balance kulento esiyenzayo.
Very important.
And I know that you've been in the industry for over 20 years, man.
Yes, sir.
Over 20 years. Usho ukuthi njengoba waqala high school and usuze wayindoda manje wayizizwe. Ubaba. Yes. So uyazi yonke transition, uyazi yonke ama phases ayo.
Yes,
so I want to know what was your highest high and what was your lowest low in these 20 years?
Okay, ukuthi angazi noma ngizoyibeka kahle yini because abanqobi was my highest high.
Okay.
And then mangiphuma and then I experienced the highest high of the highest.
Okay.
All right.
And then ayikho indawo engenama lows. And then there came a time in the industry where izinto zingahambi ngendlela ofisa ngayo, the expectations angakunikezi i-direction ofuna ukuya kuyona, you know, that creates a sense of a learning curve unexpectedly, you know. So there were moments and times and period and seasons which were were very difficult for me as a musician, which I experienced, and I had to like embrace a local, so that I was going to grow and become the better musician. So there were actually moments where I can count ukuthi hey kwakubuhlungu la. Yabo. So to answer your question, akhona ama lows, but then highlight ukuthi kwakuyiyipi sengiyanako sengigandile yazi angakayisho into oyibuzile ukuthi kwakuyiyipi angifuni uqamba ngamaningi kakhulu. Maningi kakhulu mengingabala izinto futhi ezingenza ngibe emotional kwenye inkathi, but nje maningi industry ayibi mnandi yonke, you know, but we have to strive ukuthi uyenze ibe better
because phela operator from uthando
and spirit as well.
And spirit. So yonke into you draw from our emotions, and kumele be vulnerable to the public, and into ekhiphayo mayisigxekwa ningi nje ungakwenza ukuthi uphelele umoya. But then when it comes to abantu ke abancane abakubukayo that also are experiencing ama lows, how did you get out of it in the industry, because you're still intact and you're still around and you're still with the people that you started with and you're still doing your solo career? That means you are still operating in a form of being intact. How did you manage to get out of it and still remain?
Again, ngithi nje igrace kaNkulunkulu, because you wouldn't say you managed, because there are a number of occasions where you can say I actually took a decision with no, you know what, I'm not gonna do this thing anymore, because it's ingenza iyangilimaza instead of ukuthi manje ingiphilise ingakhe futhi ilethi growth empilweni yami. Instead siphinde kuyihlaya abantu say when they listen to my, you know, there are times we industry la esifikelwa khona isikhathi sokuthi uthi umuntu moyibheka lento yenzayo, just because respond ne reception ayisafani, ube nama moments of ukuhlala phansi nawe, introspect yourself ukuthi am I doing it right? Uthi umuntu uyayichecka ngiyacula man, but why abantu bangangizwa? You understand? There come times like there's abantu bangakuzwa. Even if you've got beautiful voice and you've got runs and riffs and everything, and you write good music which has, I mean, good lyrics and everything, but then i-message ikhona abantu like uthola ukuthi abantu abayifeyo abayizwayo, but aba-resonate with into ozama ukuyiportraya through your art, you understand? But when you expect ukuthi ifly to the world, ivele ingakwenzi lokho, ivele idumela ngakini ugcina usuyidlala lapha speaking sakho nefoni yakho, understand? And that is very hurting. I don't want to lie to you. As a musician, we don't want to experience that. What we want to see growth, we want to see reception, we want to see abantu taking our music and loving it and exposing it to the world. But if that doesn't happen, you develop a sense of depression, you know, anxiety, low self-esteem, awuzethembi, yabona futhi kunesicefe kakhulu uma sebezokuncoma isimo sakho siphansi.
Nkosi yami ngasomboni
uncomani kwaphela manje lento incomayo abantu abaningi abayizwa, you know, sometimes uthi uyadlala ufuna ukuchecka nje ukuthi abantu bazoyizwa kanjani udlalela speaking, mhlawumbe nihlalele ne-gathering udlala ingoma yakho, and yabo ngalesikhathi udlala you looking around, you checking people ukuthi how are they receiving it, you understand? Only find ukuthi abayinakile okwanga impela futhi beqophela indaba zabo. Once kwangena ingoma yomunye umuntu babone beba vibrant be lighting up, ubone ukuthi ngisho ukuthi angiculi kahle, shothi lento engiyenzayo kahlahla yikho. So there are moments esibhekane nawe anjalo.
And I'm sure futhi kunzima ke to change from a genre to a next genre, because most people are kuyinkinga to migrate ama supporters akho to understand ukuthi now night sound enye sengipush. And
uyabona lokho ongexoxa ukukhuza olimini, uyabona lokho angifuna uqamba manga as a gospel artist, it's very difficult to migrate from a genre ya gospel to a house, because it simply means faith ayisekho lapho, faith music usuyilokozile, and futhi obviously you're gonna live ilondujana life ya
so
exactly, so manje, which means you're no longer umzalwane, brethren or whatever they call it. So manje ama activities asebandleni wena ngeke usawenza uzowenza angala. That's not the thing. We treat music as business. So we don't want to be contained and you know be given a certain title tina senzi gospel music, so
put you on the box.
Exactly. So manje abantu ngake ngithi nje ama fans aka gospel they are very sensitive. I don't blame them, but attached kakhulu ku spirit. But they should understand ukuthi we've got a table that needs to have food on it. You know, we've got kids to feed. And unfortunately genre ka gospel, I'm not slamming it, but they have a tendency of not supporting you if you're not famous at that time. So when ufika nje, one, you do favors, a lot of favors ka gospel music, mangabo fika you do a lot of favors up until usuthola ukuthi igama usulakhile, but still people promoters and everybody, churches, they will but they'll sense of exploit you, use you under the banner of we are promoting you. You understand?
And the fact that you know me, it means I don't need exposure. You're already exposed to me. Or how do you need exposure? How do you want to give me more exposure when you already know me?
So that is basically what I went through. So and akumina ngeto baningi abaculi abadlula kuleyo nto even now.
Kanti futhi kubalekile for I think as Christians ukuthi ilokunjana people, I think most Christians, not going to say most, but some Christians pick and choose what they want to take from scripture. Ngoba if you doing gospel music, gospel means you're spreading the word. Ukuthi BPM high or low, or kungene ama BVs, or it's a gospel or a house. Check Outwork Sounds. Outwork Sounds is literally doing gospel music, but it's house though.
It's house,
but you're still worshiping God because all things work together for the goodness of God. So man, your mouth cater. And la khona house music, la giga khona when la khona house, you're doing more ministry because you're finding more people to change than compared to where people value the like gospel, value they supporting uNkulunkulu anyways. That we're not really evangelizing esontweni. Kanti mawenza house, you're going to clubs, you're getting to people that really do need to be exposed. So I think we need to look at it in a different way.
Nice.
Hey,
this is very moving. Preach, I can't preach.
We receive.
So, mina ngifuna ukuthola in terms of collaborations. Ngibonile ukuthi ususebenza nabantu abaningi asebesebenzile kule industry, abo DJ Bongs. Abo Happy Girl. Recently DJ Zinhle, khonike kade nisanda kuyenza. Tell us more ukuthi usebenze nobani nje esibaziyo noma bakwe industry obona ukuthi lo msebenzi umthatha wangibeka somewhere.
Yabona nje but wami journey yami has been long, but angifuna ukukhohlisa, it has not been an easy one. I think even manje kuvuleleka ngibona ukuthi no kahle actually I see a light at the end of the tunnel. Abantu engisebenze nabo ngisebenze kakhulu nama artist gospel back then. Ngasebenza no Tina Zungu, ngasebenza no Dumi Cockstad, ngasebenza no Babo Ngcobo, Fikile Mlomo, Squealy, to name the few. So I worked with a lot of them. Baningi nabanye engababalanga engisebenze nabo, abanye ba underground, abanye asebe well established, you know. But then khona lapho ngayithola sengithola opportunity because they love the voice yami ukuthi it's kind of ngathi flexible yabo, ikwazi ukwenza versatile, ukwazi ukwenza nje almost every genre except for Maskandi. Ngikhlula Maskandi
mashaya falsetto
yabo ngawuzama uyangihlula, but so uzama ngoba phela ikite ehlula umuntu mayesefuna ukuyenza. But then ngase ngathola opportunity yokusebenza no DJ Happy Girl.
Nice.
I think that was my first experience yaga house music. And the song went very viral. Ngalesa sikhathi ke ngabikho TikTok, Facebook babe ngekho dominating ngaleyo ndlela. So kwakuyi TV ne radio. You know, so I think ngaleso sikhathi that song was popular. Ayithi manje angisafuna ukuhamba ngethemba, sengifuna umuntu ozokuthanda for who you are.
So
that's the song. ila ngabona khona ukuthi so i-house music I can do it yabo and then kwalandela uDJ Kotini
Kotini uyasibana
and zonke lezi ingoma mind uzibhala uMondli Ngcobo so he was doing a production behind ilonto njana lezi ingoma zo2 zalabo DJs so that's how I got the experience yaka house music so ibona abantu engisebenze nabo and currently ngithuke sengisebenza no DJ Zinhle it's a long story and ngithe ngisathi usweyiloko and then I received a call from uNhlanhla Ncinze mafika izolo she wanted me to actually handle one of ama projects akhe in terms of music azowukhipha so I did a lot of music lapha no naye uSihlanhla Ncinze which she's Nhlanhla Mafumanje and then currently DJ Bongs
DJ Bongs so the song is out
the song is out my social media platforms and my online stores it's out there and it's crazy like people are receiving it ngenye indlela lento engangiyifuna ngalesa sikhathi awubayamukela into yami and now are receiving it ngendlela engijabulisa kakhulu
igama lengoma ibizwa ngokuthiwa
ibizwa ngesimo isimo
i-house nayo
i-house yes
hayi phela ngikuza keje i-house that's dope
i-house and it's doing very well I don't want to lie
nice le no DJs noma ikwi DJs Nation ikephi nendawo
track number 11
track
number 11
Nation
is Nation volume I don't know whether it's volume 1 or it's volume 1 track number 11 I also sing there
okay
nice.
I sing iqala iziyophela kucula mina
nice
kuyona leyo ngoma le sihloko sayo sithi hamba ngisho ukuthi hambani
I wanted to know ukuthi we producer Nhlanhla wenzani because nje ukuthi handling music what were you composing or you singing or you arranging
No, actually, I was composing. I was composing.
Nice.
Ingoma nje eningi ngicompose
like on the production side or
writing the music
writing
and
the music
and the flow
the melody and everything.
Nice.
Eyasebenza bafu
ayikuzama crazy ngithi ukuzama kodwa ngingaboni ukuthi kwenzakalani manje sengiyabona
manje ngeke usuyenza manje sozama kudala
mhlawumbe ilethu njani message yakho out there kubantu abasibukela abama creatives to the youth kubantu abathanda igospel abathanda music abathanda ukuyibona bekule position okuyona njengamanje ungathini
one resilient, two don't stop. Just don't stop. If you believe in it, it shall come to pass. Ungalingi ucabanga ukuthi ngeke kwenzeke. It might take 2 years, 3 years, 10 years, 20 years, but it will happen. As long as there is uniqueness there, there's originality there, there's genuinity there, you will pass.
So mawufuna ukusebenza noAndile Mbili uthola kanjani mhlawumbe ngoba ufuna ukuthola?
That's the part ke ngibe nenkinga yayo because ama social media ama indisha office
sifuna yona leyo email leyo or leyo booking number like makunomuntu interested nje ukuthi ngicela uvele ungibhalele ingoma nje straight.
No email ngiyatholakala kwi Shambi ngeke yazini angisho inamba inamba ithi 060774869 060774869 ngiyatholakala kuma social media ngikhona ku Facebook uAndile Mbili ipage uAndile Mbili into njana and then ngiyatholakala ku TikTok which is Andile Mbili _SA.
No sizokufaka abantu bayakubona njengamanje and we're going to add lo shamba
that's my company.
Nice.
My company.
So add Achal
Hayi mina ngihappy nje. Yeah, happy. Ingoma kade ngicula ngikhula. Yeah, duyena. Very very excited. Thank you so much for coming through.
Yes.
We can't wait to hear the music. I think that's what's performing.
Yeah.
Uzwisa kancane ukuthi
ukuthi iphi ingoma uzosiperformela?
So performer yona le ngiyenza no DJ Bongs.
Oh nice.
Yeah, actually DJ Bongs ukhipha i-album ethi Catch Me If You Can.
Yes.
Sure.
Yeah, so Isimo see one of the tracks, which is track number 4.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, I believe so.
Okay.
Nice.
Bakuthola kanjani mabekudeni?
You can find me at Artchild Africa on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our podcast at The Creatives Unplugged. Winner.
Nice. Hey, mina-ke umhliko wonke umuntu uyangazi. Ungangazi usuyangazi njengamanje on Facebook, Instagram, sikhona na ku YouTube lapha Creative Unplugged podcast. Ningakhohlwa if unomuntu ofuna ukumsuggesta othi nje wenza into enhle ufuna ukuthi sithi shout out kuyena ucommente lapha ku YouTube uphinde usubscribe futhi siyabonga. Nisale kahle.
Bye.
Lesisimo eniseshiye mubekhaya yacela Nkosi ungipha amandla size siguquke lesisimo eniseshiye mubekhaya yacela Nkosi ungipha amandla uba siguquke Ngamathemba asemahlombe ami sonke izinkinga zisemahlombe ami onke abakudingayo bakubheke kimi cela ungincede sonini nanini Emsamo yami uyoyibona nini na lokufisa kwami uyokubona nini na lethukuthukwa zami uyozisula nini na babheke mina ekhaya babheke mina ekhaya Semasolweni cela ulalele umkhuleko wami cela ungiphendule nami funa ukuguqula ikhaya la awusemazulwini cela ulale nomkhuleko yami cela ungiphendule nami funa ukuguqula ikhaya la nakunesililo cela uzisule izinyembezi cela usule izinyembezi kudala sikhala
Sengavala isiphelile hey ide kabi le part ungasaculwa hey ay ke mina le pjatso washa ay alo tu yire redo edit Ay, vamos a decir, de opera,